Good morning, my English learners. Today is our day 3 and you are doing fab. So, today is our daily practice series day 3 and our topic is my favorite food. Goal to help beginners speak confidently about food using simple English. So, let's talk in English about my favorite food. Repeat with me and speak confidently. So, here we go. My favorite food is pav bhaji. I love its spicy taste. My mother makes it at home. I eat pav bhaji once in a week. I also like pani puri and dosa. I enjoy eating with my family. So break it down with Marathi meaning. My favorite food is pav bhaji. माझं आवडतं खाणं म्हणजे पावभाजी. आय लव इट्स स्पायसी टेस्ट. त्याची तिखट चव मला खूप आवडते. माय मदर मेक्स इट. आई माझी घरी बनवते. आय ईट इट वन्स इन अ वीक. मी ते आठवड्यातून एकचदा खातो. आय ऑल्सो लाईक पाणीपुरी अँड डोसा. मला पाणीपुरी आणि डोसा पण फार आवडतात. आय एन्जॉय ईटिंग विथ माय फॅमिली. मला कुटुंबासोबत जेवायला आवडतं. सो हिअर इज युअर स्पीकिंग चॅलेंज. नाव टेल मी what is your favorite food and comment below using English. Follow me for daily English talk with Marathi touch. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you so much.